Every day, bulky EPS foam creates big recycling challenges. Large volumes occupy valuable storage space, increase transportation costs, and make recycling inefficient. Its intelligent electrical control system is designed for easy operation and reliable performance. The electrical cabinet is equipped with a protective waterproof cover, allowing the machine to operate safely even in outdoor environments, making installation more flexible for different recycling facilities. The material is crushed, hot melted, and compressed into high-density EPS ingots, reducing its volume by up to 90% while significantly increasing its recycling value. The machine features a heavy-duty screw and optimized melting chamber, ensuring stable operation, high output, and consistent densification performance. Thank you for watching.